Children, once again, there is no book to unveil.
Chair, Mr. Murwa, he comes on.
Try to write and you got stuck in that paragraph.
I'm feeling very proud because of what our son has done by writing a book. I know it was not easy. It's something that started like 2-3 years ago, and we didn't see it coming to pass. Especially now when he started.
What got me started on writing this book is that I was inspired by other writers after reading their novels, especially Modern Children and Jumana. I've been reading their books. I therefore decided to start my own book during the Corona period. I asked my father to buy me a book where I used it as a manuscript. After writing the manuscript, I gave it to the editor, who was Andrew Maina. He edited the book.
Asiari wona mwana ni arageria kwandika kaundu mu encourage tondu agonita mwana munini wa miaka 5 nigetha atuike ni andika ibuku hi ciugiria kuniri kwandika ni ciugo igana rimwe na tungicokaniriria material ni ikoima kabuku kandikitwo ni twana na language iria megũkorwo makiaria ni language ciana iria ingĩ cihota ku understand.
Andũ nĩ makoretwo makĩingĩra ũhoro wa ng'enda mũno gũkĩra ũrĩa mangĩkĩrĩra maũndũ marĩa mega maraiguĩkana na mabuku marĩa mamataraga maũndũ mega gũkĩra gũthikĩrĩria mũhuhu kana mũcene ũrĩa ũkoragwo matũũra-inĩ.